should be distal cusp of 9.
Of 9?
Oh, you're almost there.
Distal cusp of 9?
Stay right there.
Perfect. Okay. So that tells us that we're in the right spot. So Alex, turn to your right a little bit. Nope, just like there. Good. Yomi, lateral access on.
Lateral access on.
Hold on. Oh, I have the mouse in here.
Accepted.
Okay, so now we're going to begin to prepare his osteotomy. Al, open big. Good.
Locked in. 1.1.
That's the bigger line.
2. 3. 6. 8.5. Okay. Release.
Perfect. Okay, so that's the first osteotomy that I just did. And his tissue is really nice in this area, so I'm probably even going to be able to do this implant flapless. So every burr that I put in, I have to measure and I have to give feedback. So one of the nice differences between this generation and the other generation of Yomi, the other one I needed a person standing to be able to put this in. Now with voice activation, I can communicate directly. So Yomi, drill bit 2.2 by 22. Yomi, drill bit 2.2 by 22 millimeters.
2.2 by 22.
And every time I give a command, it gets repeated back to me. Al, open big. Thank you, sir.
Locked in.
So you hear me communicating to me that we're locked in,
9.
and it's calling out. The other thing I want you to see is my eyes are on the surgical field. I'm not looking at the screen, which is in some modalities of care, you need to look at the screen to be able to do the surgery as opposed to the patient. Yomi, drill bit 2.8 by 22.
2.8 by 22. Locked in. 1, 2, 3, 7. Okay. Released.
Let's go to 3.5. Yomi, drill bit 3.5 by 22.
3.5 by 22. Locked in. 1, 2, 9. Okay.
So again, I didn't make an incision in this site yet. This is completely flapless, really almost in a way minimally invasive. Let me have the 4.2. Really minimally invasive approach because his tissue is excellent in this area from his healing. We can even see that on the scan because we're able to overlay the soft tissue over the bone in the plan. Yomi, drill bit 4.2 by 22.5. Yomi, drill bit 4.2 by 22.5.
4.2 by 22.5. Locked in.
After this, I'm going to implant, guys. Can I have a 13? And the implant is about to go in, so the osteotomy is prepared now. And 5 pi by 10, please, confirm. Yomi, baseline. Yomi, drill bit 12 millimeters.
Driver 12.
Yomi, speed 50.
Speed 50.
Yomi,
Guided on 15. Lateral access on.
Yomi, lateral access off.
Lateral access off. Twist left. Locked in.
Okay, here we go. Your implant is about to go in now.
4, 6, 8. And 10.
Free?
Released.
Good. Okay. One of the things I like to do is just to make sure, as accurate as we are, that nothing has really changed. Yomi, osteotomy.
Guided on 15.
Yomi, osteotomy.
Paused. Osteotomy.
Yomi, 1.6 by 21 millimeters.
1.6 by 21.
So now we're going to come back and just to make sure nothing has shifted.
Guided on 15.
Yomi, free.
Free.
Perfect.
Landmark achieved.
Good. So we achieved landmark again, telling me that I haven't moved anything. So we're done.
Pause.
The implant is now in.